Well, fuck me. I was hoping to hit the flea market today, because you usually find good deals on stuff. Ain't happening. Nope. Fucking blizzard. I was hoping to go home tomorrow. Probably not going to get there till probably Tuesday or Wednesday now. Maybe even Thursday. Just depends on how quickly clear the roads and the highways. Yeah, just look at this shit, guys. Fucking Canada. Well, at least it's not cold. That's a good thing. It's not cold. Anyway, so I'm kind of stuck inside. Got 5 or 6 different colognes here. Maybe a little more than that, maybe 8 or 9. So maybe I'll do a few videos today. What do y'all think? Nothing else to do. Let Mortal Kombat begin. Me against nature. Nature'd win. She's a bitch. Alright guys, peace, love, be good to each other.